What's going on, everybody? This is Urban J Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at how to hardwire a security camera to the front of your garage. If you're excited about this video, crush up the likes. If you're new here, subscribe. Let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a Nest camera, we're going to run it along the roof and put it on the outside. So we got to drill a hole through this wall, the stucco on the outside. Let's do this. Putting it right in the front. First, we're using a small drill bit to go all the way through the wall. And we're gonna fish it through. There it is.
Got it?
Yep. Nice. All right, so what we have going on is we've got it going through the hole. We've used the clips to stick it to the wall, nail it in, screw it in over here. You can see, but the problem is we've got a lot of excess cord. We've wrapped it, but what are we gonna do with it? So that's the next challenge. He's wrapped it up a lot more, and we're gonna have to use a couple of those clamps to install it.
The one right there.
Yeah, good idea. All right, so now we've gotta figure this out, how to seal that hole. We're spraying this foam in there. Spraying foam.
Oh, you got the other side?
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh. Spraying that foam in there, the middle part. Nice.
It's just when you screw it up, you can see that
It
one.
expands. That foam will fill it up. Putting the mount up. There it is. So now you can see, and then we'll just paint over that.
Okay.
There it is, through the wall.